Hello students, I Latan Manani welcomes you to online classes of Darbar Government Senior Secondary English Medium School. Students, today we are going to read or today we are going to understand the types of sentence. How many types of sentence are there? We will learn in this video, and what are the names of that types, and I will explain also the types of the sentence. Okay, so let's start the video. Students, we are going to learn the types of sentence. Students, there are the 4 types of sentences, and the first one is declarative, or we can say assertive sentences, and the next one is imperative sentence, and third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth and the last one is exclamatory sentence. Students, we will learn these types of sentences one by one. So okay, let's start the explanation of the types. And the first type of the sentence is declarative or assertive sentences. What is declarative or assertive sentence? Declarative sentences are that it simply makes a statement. The sentences which simply makes a statement or expression and opinion or yes no type sentences are called assertive sentences. And we can say declarative sentences means the sentences which simply declare anything, and which simply express anything, or which simply express an opinion, and which only say yes, and if we are accepting, if we are giving our assent to anything, that sentences are called assertive and declarative sentences. So let's see the examples of assertive or declarative sentences. And the first example is, I want to be a good writer. It's an example of declarative sentence. I'm declaring that I want to be a good writer. It's my declaration. And the next one example is, yes, I will come today. This is the example of assertive sentence, because I'm accepting that yes, I will come. If somebody asks me, then will you come today, then I will say yes, I will come today. So it's my assertion, so it's an assertive sentence. And the third example is, I am ready to play. It's also my assertion, so it's an assertive or declarative sentence. So students, let's move to the next type of the sentence. The next type of the sentence is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. Means the sentence in which we see a command or a request. That type of sentence are called imperative sentence. Means command and requests are called imperative sentences. Okay, so let's see the example of the imperative sentences. The first example of the imperative sentence is, please open the door. There is a request, as we can see in the example. Please, in the word please means we are requesting, so it's an example of imperative sentence. And the next example is, always respect elders. It's a command or it's a suggestion also. So always respect elders, it's a command and it's an example of an imperative sentence. And the third example of this is, please sit down. It's a request, please sit down, so it's a imperative example. And the next one is, don't make a noise. It's a command to someone, so it's an example of imperative sentence. So students, let's move to the next types of sentence. And the students, next type of the sentence is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, what are the interrogative sentences? An interrogative sentence asks a question. Means if we are asking a question in any sentence, that sentence is called interrogative sentence. This type of a sentence often begins with who, what, where, when, why, how, or with the helping verb as do, did, does, and it ends with a question mark. It's necessary to put a question mark at the end of the interrogative sentence. So students, if the sentence is ending with a question mark, we would understand that it's an example of interrogative sentence. Students, let's see the examples of interrogative sentences. And the first example is, When are you going to school? There is an interrogation mark at the end of the sentence, so it's an example of interrogative sentence. And the next example of has he had his meal? Has he had? Has is the helping verb, and the sentence has started with helping verb, and at the end we can see the interrogation mark, so it's an interrogative sentence. The next example is will you inform me in time? There is also interrogation mark at the end, and it is starting with will, and that is helping verb, so it is an example of interrogative sentence. And the last and the fourth example of interrogative sentences, do you know me? Do is the helping verb. It is, this sentence is starting with do, and there is a interrogation mark at the end, there is a question mark at the end, so it's an example of interrogative sentence. So students, let's move to the next type of the sentence. And the next type of the sentence and the last type of the sentence is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotion. It may be sadness, it may be happiness, it may be excitement, it may be surprise, happiness, anger, and ends with an exclamation point mark. This type of sentence ends with the exclamation mark and exclamation point, we may also say. So these type of sentence which shows great surprise, great excitement, great happiness, great sorrow, and there is exclamation mark. Mostly there is exclamation marks at the end of the sentence. So these type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. So students, let's see the examples. And the first example is how beautiful this flower is. Here you have to write here is. How beautiful this flower is. How beautiful means we are showing great surprise to see the flower, that we are saying that how beautiful this flower is. We are showing our wonder that how beautiful this flower is, and there is an exclamation mark also at the end of the sentence. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. And the next example is hurrah, we have won the match. Hurrah, and there is an exclamatory sign after hurrah. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. We have won the match. We are showing our excitement in this sentence. And the next and the last example of is exclamatory sentence is how silly are you. We are showing our sadness by saying this sentence that how silly are you. We are showing our wonder about somebody, that how silly are you, and there is also exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. So students, we have seen 4 types of the sentences in this video. The first type was declarative and assertive sentences, and the second type was imperative sentences, and the third type was interrogative sentences, and the last and the fourth type of sentence was exclamatory sentence. And we have studied and we have understood the types of the sentences deeply one by one. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.